Hello students, let us start with the close pack structures. So you can arrange these close pack structures in three different ways, either one dimension, two dimension or three dimension. So first we'll start with the one dimension packing of the spheres or the constituent particles. We'll be considering here constituent particles as a spheres here. So first is one dimension packing. So in this case, a close packed one-dimensional structure results by arranging the spheres to touch each other in a row. It means that you can arrange the spheres this way in a row, touching to one another. Here, this way you can go. So you are proceeding in this direction. This is one-dimensional packing here. Now if you consider this as a sphere, the coordination number for this is 2. This is touching to this sphere and this sphere also. So in this case the coordination number is 2. This sphere is touching to two another spheres, and these spheres are the nearest neighbors of this center sphere. That is the sphere that you are considering. So the nearest neighbors are there 2. So this is very simple, that is one dimensionally you can arrange. Secondly, you can pack the structure in two dimensional, that is 2D packing. So this 2D packing, it is possible in two ways. One way is 2D square packing, and the second way you can do, that is 2D hexagonal packing. These are the two ways you can pack the structure or the spheres in the first particular pattern. So the first we'll see for this square packing. So this 2D square packing can be done by the rows of the close packed spheres are stacked over each other such that the spheres align vertically and horizontally. Means if you draw this way, this is the two-dimensional way of packing. These are the spheres. Exactly below this you stack the another row of the spheres. Remember, we are doing this in either x-axis and in y-axis only, because this is a two-dimensional one. We are not considering the z-axis here. So the rows of the close packed spheres are stacked over each other such that the spheres align vertically you can align them, and horizontally also you can align them, isn't it? So this is the way you can do. If you find out the coordination number in such packing, here all these layers you can refer as A, because they are situated in the same fixed pattern, align over one another vertically and horizontally also. So if you look at this sphere, the coordination number for this would be 4. 1 2 3 4. So in this case, in case of 2D square packing, the coordination number for this is found to be 4 here. Then because this, if you join this way, you can get a square here. That is why this is called 2D square packing. Now in this, here the coordination number is 4, and the sphere touches to 4 another spheres in the first layer, because this is 2D packing along x and y axis only. If the first row is labeled as A, if you label this row as A, the second layer is also labeled as A, hence this arrangement is called as AA type of arrangement. AA type two-dimensional arrangement, 2D arrangement. So this is about the one dimension, this is about the 2D packing in square packing. Second, that is we can arrange this by 2D hexagonal packing. So this, in case of this 2D hexagonal packing, second one, this is the first, the second one, 2D hexagonal packing. Remember, we are considering only 2D packing, not the three-dimensional one. So you can arrange these spheres this way, 1 2 3 4, so on. This is the array, this is the first row. Now in between these you can put this way. So here in case of this hexagonal packing, the packing efficiency is more. In less space, more spheres can be accommodated. That means the packing efficiency is more here. So if you consider now this third layer, for this third layer, the sphere should coincide with the layer, the first row actually. This should coincide with the first row. So you can arrange this way. So you are arranging here the third row, isn't it? Now if you label this as A, one more you can do. We'll do one more, which will coincide with the second row. So this is the way you can do. If you label this as A, you can label this B. Now this A, again it is aligning with the A, so this is aligning with the B, so you can label this as B. So this type of pattern, it is called as a AB type of pattern. The spheres in the second row is arranged in the depression of the first row, and that results in the staggered arrangement. In this depression we are aligning the second row here, and that results in the staggered arrangement, and such arrangement is called AB type of arrangement. And in this arrangement, each sphere touches to 6 closest neighbors. So if you consider any sphere here, suppose this one, so this is touching to the 6 different spheres. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 and the 6. So you can join this way. So each sphere here, it touches to the 6 different spheres forming hexagon, and that is why this is called 2D hexagonal packing. And the neighboring sphere that touches any given sphere, this is called its coordination number. So in this case, the coordination number here, it is 6, whereas in case of square packing, the coordination number is 4. So in case of 2D hexagonal packing, coordination number is 6 here. Now the free space in square close packing is more than in hexagonal close packing. So you can see here the free space available here, it is more than it is available in the hexagonal packing. So the packing efficiency here, it is more, and here the packing efficiency is less here. So this is about the 1 dimension and 2 dimension